Development is about improving the quality of life. We want to help people achieve their full potential. Development practitioners have the knowledge, the skills, and the networks to be able to make that happen, and to make that happen at scale. The MPA in Development Practice at SIPA was actually the first of its kind. It is a 21-month professional advancement degree program. At its core is the essential ingredients of an MPA, but then the focus is development practice. Real hands-on experience, not just sitting in the classroom, but doing real work. You don't take 2 years off to come and study at SIPA. It's 2 years full on. We give our students a lot of professional practice opportunities. So we have a 3-month summer placement where students are embedded in development organizations and they work in those development organizations for 3 months. Another important practice component are the capstone projects. And this is a real life experience where they have to deliver for a client. We have 50 or so students in each cohort from all of these different kinds of backgrounds, as well as diversity across different parts of the world. It enriches that learning experience because they're all sitting around the table solving problems from these different perspectives. Probably the most important characteristic of the program itself is the community. This is a professional community. Our alumni are making impact all over the world in all kinds of organizations, in governments, in international development organizations, in the UN, in development banks and private sector. And what's really interesting is that quite a few of our students have created their own enterprises. A true illustration of this notion of development practitioner, turning good ideas into practice. The DP program is not a development studies program. It's a development practice program. We think of ourselves as practitioners, but also leaders in whatever kind of organization we work in. These 2 years that the students have at SIPA is an opportunity for them to reflect, learn, and essentially reconstruct their profile to become a more effective development practitioner, a more effective agent of transformation.